Hello friends, with one of the interesting topic of artificial intelligence. Today we are going to study about data science and machine learning and their differences. So let's begin. So what is data science? We studied what is data and we all know about what is science. But what is data science? Basically data science enables us to know about the insights of data. We have collected the data, but how to use the data in that system and how can we analyze the data that we all do in data sciences. For data sciences, again and again we don't need to program our system. Just once we write the program and again we can use that. So here what we does, basically here we visualize the system, we collect the statistical model of system, statistical computing, data technology we use, data research, data consulting, real world applications we have here, and scientific method. Furthermore, what is data science? In data science, the output is the story. It can be a presentation, it can be a report, and it can be any PDF file which is given to decision makers to take decision to enhance their business. So here what we does is we prepare the data, analyze data, and suggest hypothesis. Here what we does is the output, whatever we collect it, we give that to decision maker or system analysis to make decision on that to enhance the business and to enhance. It's not only talking about the business, actually here we talk about our overall system. Whatever, suppose I do have a business but I am designing my own software, I am designing my own application. So for that data science is necessary. The initial step is we collect the data from all the previous sources we studied, all the labels. How can we assign labels? We studied that before. We analyze the data, that whether the data, which type of data is need to be trained, which type of data is need to be altered, and which type of data is need to be enhanced. On that basis we suggest the hypothesis. What the hypothesis can be any reason, like suppose I'm saying that suppose initially if I talk about malarial patients, suppose we designed a system. Currently we are talking about coronavirus. Suppose we have drawn the hypothesis that chloroquine is slightly suitable for the corona patients, and there can be another hypothesis that it's not suitable. So this we can add in our application as well, the recommendation for a corona application we are designing. So in that we can give that hypothesis as well. So further, what is the difference between data science and machine learning? Machine learning we studied before. So what is the output of data science? It was the report, it can be presentation, and but here the machine learning output is software that is given to generate any output. So here are some similarities and some dissimilarities for which I have drawn the Venn diagram. So data science's data visualization is drawn, and in that we are performing reinforcement learning. What is reinforcement learning? On the basis of punishment and reward, we are assigning the task to system, and here we make data preparation. And here we most example that supervised learning is the example of both data science and machine learning, but unsupervised learning is mostly done in machine learning. So that is all for data science and machine learning. I hope you enjoyed the lecture, and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. Thanks for watching. If you have any queries, so don't forget to ask me in comment box. Thank you.